Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove or disable the Instagram map feature so your location won't show up. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to the Messages tab. It's the paper plane icon or the chat section. In your Messages tab at the top, tap on the map icon to open the Instagram map view. This is where locations and posts tagged by location show up. Once you're in the map view, tap the gear or settings icon in the top corner, usually in the top right. In that settings menu, look for location sharing or map settings. There should be an option to turn off or disable sharing altogether. Here you can just click no one and then until you turn it back on. If that doesn't fully disable it, go into your phone settings. Find Instagram, then location permissions, and set it to never or don't allow. And that's it. Once you've disabled it, Instagram won't show your location on the map. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment.